With competition among dentists increasing, you'll have to continually fight for your share of new patients, unless you decide that you don't want to share anymore. Now, I'll be back after the break to tell you how to dominate your market and get all the new dental patients that you can handle. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on this episode of the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. And if you've followed these podcasts for any length of time, you know that corporate dentistry is coming for your patients. So are large dental practices and the smaller practices in your market. Everybody's competing for the same limited pool of patients. And whatever your market share is, somebody else wants it. Unless you do something differently, your competitors are going to chip away at your share. And if you're in a large metro area, dominating your market isn't likely to happen. But if you're not in or near a big city, domination should be at the top of your agenda. You might think that dominating a market depends on the size of your marketing budget. And I'll be honest, that's certainly a consideration. But it's not the most important thing because domination isn't what you think. You'd have to have and expend immense resources to capture a 70 or 80% market share of all the patients in a large metro market. But you don't practice every type of dentistry, and there are one or more niches that you'd like to pursue. But even in those niches, there's a lot of patients that you don't want, like the price shoppers, the one and dones, maybe the emergency patients. You'll dominate your market by using your marketing to position yourself as the only logical choice for the dental patients that you want to attract. Now, that does require a little bit of soul searching. So first decide, who are your ideal patients? Your answer could involve the type of case, the average case billing, or maybe repeat business. You could define your ideal patient as the ones who pay, stay, and refer. Take the lion's share of those and you'll achieve market domination. Your competitors can fight it out over the rest. Let them have it. You relax, get back to doing what you love, and laugh all the way to the bank. Dr. Raleigh Peock from Salem, Oregon, wanted to dominate in his market. And that's why he chose SmartBox. Quote, "I'm looking for web domination, and that's why I picked the Elite package. I want the dominant web presence so that my competition isn't even an afterthought. It's Dental West Associates. And that's what people, when they're looking for a dentist in Salem, when they're doing keyword searches, I want to be the one to come up, and that's what I'm looking for." End quote. More information on dominating your market? Visit our website. Hit reply to this email. Call us. Send a carrier pigeon or smoke signals are acceptable too. Also, join me for tomorrow's podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.